A warm welcome to everyone. I hope all staying safe and doing well by God's grace. Myself, R. Dhanlakshmi from Bachelor of Pharmacy first year at Sri Sasta Pharmacy College. Due to the unexpected increases in COVID cases, lockdown imposed across the nation. During the lockdown situation, all the educational institutes are closed for safety measures. At first, we were worried about the continuity of traditional classes for the ongoing syllabus in this lockdown situation. We all the students of Sri Sasta Pharmacy College are very much thankful to the chairman of Sri Sasta Groups of Institute, Professor J. Karthikeyan sir, and Principal Dr. D.V. Dhanapal sir for making us a part in e-learning through the Google Blog for the continuity of traditional classes through online class, so that in this time we can still learn new things. Online classes are like live classes where all students ask their queries and the teacher resolves them at same as traditional classes. Online classes are amazing as it gives us an opportunity to study like before without worrying about our safety. The online classes also have extra activity session where we interact with personalities having talents in various fields and they motivate and encourage us. For online classes, the faculties are creating a WhatsApp group for the students, then they share a link to join Google Meet. During the classes, they share the screen with students. It can be audio as well as video. They clarify the doubts of students even though in this live chat. So, behalf of all the students, I would like to thank our chairman sir, principal sir and our faculty members who had made these efforts to bring the e-learning through the Google Blog, Google Meet, Google Classroom. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express the view of online classes on the behalf of all the students. I am M. Mahalakshmi from the Department of B Pharmacy first year of Sri Sasta Pharmacy College. As a student of Sri Sasta Pharmacy College, I am very much thankful to our chairman of Sri Sasta Group of Institution, Professor J. Karthikeyan sir, and our principal, Dr. D.V. Dhanapal sir. As we are in the lockdown due to COVID-19, most of the educational institutions in India are closed. For the second time, all the colleges have moved to online classes. Our colleges conducting their online classes in Google Meet. Apart from this, during this pandemic situation, our teachers were starting their classes by giving a COVID appropriate behavior. And teachers were creating presentations and videos and sharing with their student, which makes the student to be motivated. And also in online classes, in activity sessions, they're conducting games and debates, which makes a student and teachers interactions. And also, our college was successfully conducted two internal exams in Google Forms. Our teachers were giving the notes for the chapters and assigns as online homework in Google Classroom, which makes the student to be engaged in their studies during this lockdown. Once again, I would like to say thanks to our chairman sir and our principal sir and all the staffs who make this online class more convenient and more efficient. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am M. Mohan Kumar from B.Pharm first year of Sri Sasta Pharmacy College, Chambrambakam. I am here to express my gratitude towards our Honorable Chairman, Professor Karthikeyan sir, Honorable Principal, Dr. Dhanapal sir, and all of our beloved teachers. Due to the COVID pandemic, students were confused about their studies, but fortunately, teachers enlightened our knowledge by utilizing the online classes efficiently through the Google Classrooms and Google Meets. These classes are very interesting, convenient and more flexible to acquire knowledge. It also helps us to improve our communication skills and helps us to understand how to utilize the technology wisely. So, once again, on behalf of all the students, thanks to the college management and thanks for this opportunity. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Hello everyone, I am Wesley Raj from the Department of Bachelor of Pharmacy, second year of Sri Sasta Pharmacy College. I would like to thank our Chairman of Sri Sasta Group of Institution, Professor J. Karthikeyan sir, and our Principal, Dr. V. Dhanapal sir, for giving me these wonderful opportunities. Due to the subsequence of COVID-19 outbreak, our students were stressed and worried about the upcoming examination. Google Classroom is a savior in these tough situations. Using the technology as a key, we opened the lock of more convenient educational system. Google Classroom brings the benefits of paperless sharing, assessment and digital collaborations of classroom. We learn all the subject in a single applications. Students can also submit their assignments through the Google Classroom and get the graded from the faculties, which is helps to using our increasing internal marks. Once again, thank you all for giving me these opportunities. Let's unitedly work together to fight against the corona, and the day is not very fair when we all sure to win. Let's stay apart to do our part. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.